Things are looking pretty great overall, but we've had a lot of pests lately. Slugs have been absolutely terrible, destroying our squash, cucumbers, melons, all that good stuff. And also our good old buddy, the cucumber beetle, is back. So let's see if we can find any to show you. The reason to really get rid of these, other than the damage that they cause to the plants physically, is to stop them from transmitting disease to your plants, specifically bacterial leaf wilt, which is a disease that affects the nutrient flow inside the cucumbers and melons and other cucurbits. What happens is the plant can no longer pump nutrients to the leaves, and you see this wilting going on, like a loss of the pressure inside the plant, and it's just irreversible. It kills the plant, and the fruit that are on it won't even finish. Your only choice really is to pull the plant. So we like to live in these. Let's see if we can find any. None there. Let's try over here. I see one. There he is. Let's get him. Oh, he fell. Oh, he's on the dirt. Where is he? There he is. They'll fall down onto the dirt like that. And then if you're just patient, you look around a little bit, you can usually see him. Got him. All right. This squash is safe for now. You guys are wondering, this is a Zucchetta tromboncino squash. It's supposed to throw out these funky big fruits with long spirally necks. We'll see what it does. It's in great shape so far. So if you don't catch them, or there are just too many of them, this is the kind of damage you're gonna see on your plants. This is a melon here. You can see, especially when the leaves get hit when they're really young, oof, can get near skeletalized. This beetle can be at really high populations. It was really high population for us last year. We spent a lot of time hunting him in the mornings and the evenings. I like to think it paid off. We did have a couple plants get the bacterial leaf wilt. We were sure to pull them right away so they weren't sources of infection for my other plants. Ooh, you can see an ant running around over there. That's good. We like ants. They tend to pick most of the other bugs off of the plants. You gotta watch out for them though, because sometimes they'll farm aphids on your plants, and that can be not as good. Cukes are looking pretty good overall though. Hopefully they won't get the wilt from these dang beetles. Here's the melon next door to it. It's a little better off, but you can see where some beetles have totally chewed through. When they get the leaves as they're developing, their bite goes a long way toward damaging the leaf. At one point when these are coming out, they're the same size as the beetle before they grow and fatten up. One bite out of them and boom, that's what you're left with. Big old hole. Back to the hunt. Alright, I got some footage here of me finding one. That's the guy that you want to get rid of. He's got black and yellow stripes. When you go after them, a lot of times they just kind of curl up and fall down to the next leaf, and then you can grab them and squish them. That's what you're going to see here. My wife was saying she saw some hiding in the lettuce. So let's see if we can hunt for some. I don't see anybody in there. The lettuce looks great. I don't think they're chewing on the lettuce. I think they're just hiding in there trying to live. How dare they? If you're new to hunting cucumber beetles, These growing ends are a really good place to look. I just checked this one, so I don't think there's going to be one in there. But they love chomping on this new tissue, and they also love to be sheltered from the rain in these new leaves. See how they're really tight together right now? They kind of make some nice layers that they like to hang out in. Just kind of live where they eat. I mean, that's the dream. Well, can't be out here all the time, which is why it's good to spray these guys. There is something you can spray to control these beetles. It's called spinosad. It's a naturally occurring bacteria that's got a really cool story. You should read about that when you get a chance. You could use other stuff. You could use stronger stuff, you know, like proper insecticides, but we grow organically here. We're not really interested in doing anything like that. We want to keep it natural. So we have used spinosad. The problem is, well, there are a couple problems with it. The first is that you're not supposed to apply it before it rains because it just washes right off. The second is that the insect ingests the leaf that has the bacteria, but then does not succumb immediately. So they could theoretically feed on your stuff for a little while after that, and they could theoretically already have bacterial leaf wilt that they're vectoring before they even take that first bite. So, you know, too little too late, but it is good when the population of the beetle gets really, really high and you just want to try to knock them down a little bit. Well, I think that's going to about do it for now, unless... Oh, I see. Oh, he's running from me. Where'd he go? Oh, had to make a quick grab on that one. There you go, another one down. Alright guys, I'll leave you there for now. If you like what you saw today, feel free to throw me a like, subscribe to the channel for more goofy stuff like this. Probably do some more videos on some other garden pests. We also like to go identify things we see in nature, so look out for those videos too. Cool, peace.